In this video, we're just gonna do a super fast overview of all the different types of cloth diapers and how you put them on, etc. Super fast. Let's not waste any time. Let's get to it right now. Okay, so the first thing we need to cover though is that all cloth diapers, no matter what type, what brand, whatever, are made of two separate pieces, an absorbent inside and a waterproof outside. So the part that soaks up all of the nasty stuff that comes out and the part that keeps it from getting all over the place. Those are the two basic parts of every type, every style, every brand of diaper. It's just how they're put together that changes. How is an all-in-one put together? Well, like the name suggests, it's all in one piece. So everything you need in the diaper is all stitched together in one shot. PUL outside, sewn all the way into the absorbent inside, which is usually, cotton, hemp, that type of thing, depending on the brand and style of diaper. A lot of all-in-one diapers will have a tongue like this that you just fold over and put inside. That's just to help with washing and drying, cut down on dry time, etc. It's pretty common nowadays to find that in all-in-one diapers, but really it's meant that everything that you need for the diaper is in this diaper. You shouldn't have to add anything or need anything additional. So that's what an all-in-one diaper is. It's everything all in one diaper. The absorbent inside and the waterproof outside sewn together in one piece. All right, moving right along, let's get to all-in-two diapers. Now, just like the name suggests again, going from all-in-one to all-in-two means the diaper is in two pieces. So you have the waterproof outside and the absorbent inside snapped in, just like that. So instead of being sewn in, they're just snapped in after washing to get ready to put on baby. Different brands and stuff will have it snapped differently. Some all-in-two brands will have a lining like this underneath. Others will have a mesh like this, Grovia one, very good brand of all-in-two diapers. I'll leave links to all the diapers I have here in the description. So they might have mesh inside, they might have a lining, or they might be a smooth PUL. Either way, it's the waterproof shell with or without lining or mesh, and the absorbent insert that is snapped in place before you put it on baby. After it's snapped in place, it works just like the all-in-one. You just put it on baby, and when it's soiled, you take it off. Thing with an all-in-two diaper is when you take it off baby and before you put it in the washing machine, you want to make sure you're unsnapping just so that it can get cleaned properly. Moving right along, we have probably the most popular cloth diaper that you'll see out there is the pocket diapers. I'm not saying they're popular because of their quality, I'm just saying they're popular because that's what you'll find everywhere. Almost every brand has a type of pocket diaper, including the less expensive brands, and they come in all the different prints, etc. So pocket diapers are the waterproof outside with a sewn-in lining, and there will be an opening in that lining between the lining and the PUL, and that creates the pocket. And so you're just stuffing your absorbent insides into the pocket of the diaper, like so. Just hold on to it, make it nice and flat. That's it. That's what a pocket diaper is. So you have your waterproof outside with a lining sewn in to make a pocket that you put the absorbent insides into. Just like the all-in-two, before you put your pocket diaper into the laundry, you want to make sure that the insert can come out and get cleaned in the wash. Some pocket diapers will have only one opening. If that's the case, you need to pull the insert out. If your pocket diaper has an opening at the front and the back, two openings, you don't have to do that as it'll agitate out in the washing machine. So those three diapers, the all-in-one, all-in-two, and pocket diapers, are kind of their own category. They're the ones, they cost a little bit more to cloth diaper your baby. They're very, very easy at the change table. Once you have that pocket stuffed and that all-in-two snapped, or you just have an all-in-one diaper, once they're ready to go, you just put them on baby, take them off, good to go. It's almost like a disposable at that point, which makes them all very good choices if you have your baby in daycare, or you have reluctant grandparents, reluctant spouse, etc. who's not really on board, and you need something that's super simple at the change table. those 3 diapers are your best bet. So getting into the next category of diapers that we're going to cover, you're getting into the very inexpensive types of diapers. They're easier to clean successfully. They're a little bit more difficult at the change table, so they're not the greatest if someone's not quite on board yet, because there is a bit of a learning curve on how to put them on and take them off, etc. The first one is prefolds. So prefolds are just the absorbent insides of a diaper. They come in different sizes like this. They usually go by weight. They are rectangles of fabric. They're kind of stitched so that they're divided into 3 smaller rectangles. The 2 outside panels are thinner than the middle panel. So when you're buying prefold diapers, you'll see numbers like 484 somewhere there. What that refers to is there's 4 layers in the 2 outside panels and 8 in the middle, so it'd be 484. Now with these being just the absorbent insides, what that means is you need to cover them with the waterproof outside. So you need to have a diaper cover. A diaper cover is just like the outsides of the other 3 that we just covered, but it's only the waterproof outside. So it's just the PUL. You have the print on the outside and the shiny PUL laminated side on the inside. That's it, that's all. So you want to fold up your prefold and cover it with the waterproof outside. Now, how to fold it, there's tons of fancy fun folds that you can find online. I won't go into all of these here, but there are kind of 2 basic things that you're going to do. You're either going to fold it in 3. So if you didn't see what I just did there, I just folded the 2 thinner outside panels into the thicker middle panel. That's called a pad fold. And you would just kind of lay it into the diaper cover like so, and put it on baby just like you would any of the other types of diapers. You can also kind of do all the fancy folds or just open up the front and the back, and when you put it on baby, you're going to pin it. So let's get a baby, 1 second. Okay, so here is our baby. We're going to take the prefold, and instead of just pad folding it in 3, we're going to open up the front and the back on baby. So we put it down, we open up the back, we kind of leave it folded in the middle, bring it up and unfold it, which will let us bring the 2 sides around together. I'm not sure if you can see this, but we're opening up the back so that the sides can come together. And then you're either going to use a diaper pin on both sides or a snappy or a boingo to attach the back to the front. And then you'll put your diaper cover over that. That just makes it a little bit thinner, less bulky on your baby. It also helps you add absorbency if you need extra inserts in there, and brings the absorbency all the way up and around baby. So it's a nice kind of trick. It makes it much more like the old school diapers that your great grandma would put on your baby and that type of thing. So that's a prefold diaper. If you are using it with pins and snappies, you want to make sure that you're getting the correct one. So some brands like Oh So Cozy will have 2 different styles of prefolds. One they call the Better Fit and one they call Traditional Fit. A Better Fit one is just one that's a little bit shorter, so if you're just pad folding it, it'll fit much more nicely in your diaper cover. Whereas the Traditional Fit will give you a little bit more length, so that if you're opening it up to pin it, that'll give you a little bit more play there. Cozy is a great brand. I recommend them, and I'll put a link to them in the description of this video. Okay, so getting to the next one, we have flat diapers. Now, flat diapers are really just single layer, large pieces of cotton usually, though sometimes you can get hemp and bamboo ones. Looks just like this, huge, flat. So what flat diapers are is they're the real old style diapers that your grandma used. They are the ones that you saw on babies with diaper pins way back in the day. Flat diapers, you're going to use just like pre-fold diapers. They are the absorbent inside only, except unlike pre-fold diapers, they're not pre-folded for you, so that's where pre-folds get their crazy name. But flat diapers are not yet folded. You have to fold them up. Again, there's a ton of crazy fancy kite fold, jelly fold, all kinds of super fancy and crazy folds that you can get into that are good for different types of babies, so babies that have runny poops, you'll want to do like a jelly fold to keep it in. You can dive as deep into that well as you want, or you cannot. You can just fold it simply and do like a pad fold almost, but with a flat diaper, and just lay it into that diaper cover once again, because it's only the absorbent inside. You need the waterproof outside on the outside. These are both very customizable. Pre-fold diapers and flat diapers are just, they give you so much flexibility. They're just amazing. And they're also super, super cheap. I know some people get scared because you need a diaper cover with them, and diaper covers are usually more on the expensive side. But here's the thing. With the diaper cover, you can use multiple pre-folds or flat diapers. So what that means is you're going to put a fresh diaper onto baby. Baby is going to go to the bathroom, and then when you do your change, you could take the pre-fold or flat diaper, throw it in your wash, but then that diaper cover, because there's nothing on the inside, no lining or anything, you could just take a wet cloth and wipe that down, because you're just wiping the laminated plasticky side. You can wipe that clean and reuse it for multiple diapers. You'll only need to wash your diaper cover if it becomes soiled, or if you've used it for a while and it's really time to change it. So that means you're only changing out the pre-folds or the flat diapers at every change, which are a couple of dollars each. And you only need a few of the diaper covers. So let's just compare it to what many people think are the cheapest diapering systems, the pocket diapers. So a pocket diaper on the cheap end will cost you $6 to $7, whereas pre-folds will cost you $1 to $2 a piece. But many people get scared because you need diaper covers with them, and diaper covers are kind of on the more expensive end. They're like $12 a piece, really. But you're only using 2 or 3 diaper covers, if your baby poops a lot, 3 or 4 diaper covers a day, and then only changing the $2 to $3 pre-folds or flat diapers at every diaper change. Whereas on the pocket diapers, you have to change the entire diaper out each time. Works out much cheaper this way. There is the downside, of course, that learning how to put this on and then this on is a 2-step thing, or if you're doing even complicated pins, that's a little bit too much for anybody who's not really into cloth diapering yet. Okay, so that's that other category, and then we have some special cases to talk about. So the first one would be fitted diapers. Fitted diapers look like this. If you were just looking at them online, you'd probably think that they were almost the closest to disposable diapers, but that's not the case. They are made of natural fibers most of the time, cotton, bamboo, hemp, that type of thing. What they are is they are only the absorbent inside, but they have the elastics and snaps just like a diaper cover. So you're getting a super, super absorbent diaper that fits. It's fitted. I'll leave some links in the description of some of my favorite overnight fitted diapers. If you're having any trouble at all with overnight cloth diapering, which is totally normal, your diapers are leaking, they're not lasting the whole night, a good overnight fitted diaper under a diaper cover is bulletproof, and it's going to be my #1 suggestion to help with that. So that's a fitted diaper. Then you get into the things like hybrid diapers. So a hybrid diaper, often made from all-in-2 diapers like the Grovia system, will let you put in a reusable insert, but they'll also sell disposable inserts that you can lay in there and they stick on, and you can use the reusable cover with the disposable insert. That's kind of neat if you're going on like a plane trip or something and you don't want to put dirty diapers in a bag. You can kind of use disposables while also not using a whole disposable and keeping your cute diaper covers, etc. It's kind of a neat option. They're not incredibly popular, and they're not the best as far as disposable diapers go, but they're a nice option, especially if you have a system that allows for it. And then we have swim diapers. Swim diapers are special in that they don't absorb anything, they don't hold any water. And disposable swim diapers don't hold any water either. Why is that? Wouldn't that let the pee out? Yep, it unfortunately lets the pee out, but it also keeps the diaper from absorbing the pool water, the ocean water, the lake water, etc., and pulling baby down. So it's a safety issue. It's super important you don't put an absorbent diaper on baby when they're going in the water. Swim diapers are made to hold messes in, so good elastics at the top and bottom are really key to a good swim diaper because you want to keep in any solids that might come out, whereas you want to let the water out for safety. I don't recommend using a diaper cover for a swim diaper. If you're in the splash pad or whatever and you're not submerging baby in the water, it's not such a big deal. You can get away with it then. But if baby's going to be in water, you gotta think when baby goes in the water is going to get in there from the top and whatever, but when you pull baby out, the water has nowhere to go except for out the legs or anything, and that rush of water is gonna bring any solids out or anything like that. So it's a high contamination issue. You really want a good swim diaper that's gonna let the water out so that when you pull baby up, all the water is not rushing out of the one spot and pulling everything out with it. That was the briefest overview I could possibly give of all the different styles of cloth diapers and their unique traits. I hope you found that helpful. If you did find that helpful and you want more cloth diaper videos like this one, then please hit that subscribe button and make sure you ring the little bell for notifications. That'll make sure that you don't miss any upcoming videos, and that'll also help boost this channel so that other cloth diaper newbies will get some help that they need as well. All right, thank you so much, and I will check you in the next video. Bye.